I'd like to show you 4 foam roller exercises to loosen tight hips and glutes. Please do these with me. The first one, I'd like you to locate your upper outer hip and go right underneath there. We're going to move on to the foam roller. Always anchor yourself with your hand and try to find that spot just underneath your top hip bone. Once you feel the tightness, go ahead and stay there. Take some deep breaths. We're going to hold for 30 seconds. Just imagine that muscle releasing. And if your arm gets tired, you can lower down, but you want to hold on this point to give it enough time to relax. Continue to breathe deeply. That's it. And from there, we're going to move to the Piriformis. Slide up, make sure you're anchored again with a hand. Bring your right ankle over your left knee. If you're really tight, you're going to start down here. If you're less tight, you're going to bend your left leg even more until you feel a little bit of a stretch. Now, go ahead and roll onto the side of the leg that you have up. And again, roll until you find a spot that's the tightest. And then take some deep breaths. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. This is also a core strengthening because you're having to use your muscles to hold yourself up and even your arms. You can use both arms if you're getting fatigued. You can roll back and forth slightly, but again, you want to imagine that muscle releasing. Nice deep breaths. We're going to go ahead and lower that leg. Move a little further up and a little further out until you find a little muscle called the glute medius. You can locate it on the other side by taking your hand and going to your upper outer glute. But even if you're not on the exact same point I'm on, as long as you're releasing tight muscle, you're doing benefit. So take some deep breaths. We're going to continue to hold this 20 more seconds. Imagine releasing. Breathing all the way down through the belly if you can. 10 more seconds. Go ahead and raise yourself up. Roll up slightly. This one is a little bit tricky. We're now going to get the inner thigh or adductor so that that part of the hip can open up. Bring your leg onto the other side until you're straddling the roller, and then come onto your right knee, lower down until you've got your left adductor on the ball. This may be too much of a stretch for you, and this may be an exercise that you work up to with a little bit of stretching. But again, we're going to find that tight spot. If you want arm strengthening, you can stay up like this. But if you want to just relax, go ahead and lower down into your elbows. Take some deep breaths. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to relax, but nothing to do here but let that muscle relax and just breathe. Ten more seconds. And slowly roll yourself back up. Come back up to your knees. Congratulations, you've completed all 4 exercises to release tight hips and glutes.